Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Ron DeSantis tells Elon Musk Bitcoin will die if Joe Biden is re-elected. His comments came toward the end of a technically challenged Twitter Spaces conversation. Elon Musk's heart-to-heart with Republican presidential nominee and Florida Governor Ron DeSantis culminated with a focus on digital assets, touching on Bitcoin and the digital dollar, with a Dogecoin reference thrown in for good measure. The conversation between Musk and DeSantis, which was moderated by entrepreneur David Sachs, didn't achieve liftoff until more than 30 minutes after its scheduled start time, with hundreds of thousands of Twitter users finding their apps crashing and the audio stream glitching. But the chat eventually got underway, and toward the talk's tail end, DeSantis leaned into his position as an advocate of crypto's largest coin. The Florida governor portrayed his support of Bitcoin as a matter of civil liberties, and attempts to restrict crypto by his opponents as government overreach. "You have every right to do Bitcoin," DeSantis said. "The only reason these people in Washington don't like it is because they don't control it." As the 2024 election season gets underway, DeSantis' remarks mirror those of Democratic presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr., who heralded Bitcoin last week as an example of democracy and anathema to authoritarians. On Wednesday, DeSantis touched on the uptick in regulatory enforcement actions that the digital assets industry has confronted so far this year, accusing the government of trying to purge digital assets to preserve the reign of those in power. "Bitcoin represents a threat to them," DeSantis said. "They're trying to regulate it out of existence." DeSantis pledged that if Congress ever tried to institute a ban on things like Bitcoin by passing new legislation, that he would vehemently oppose it. He also said that the current administration could snuff out Bitcoin if Biden is re-elected. "The current regime, clearly, they have it out for Bitcoin," DeSantis said. "And if it continues for another 4 years, they'll probably end up killing it." Addressing the political conversation shift toward a focus on crypto, David Sachs noted there's a big crypto audience on Twitter. Musk interjected to say there's one for Dogecoin too. DeSantis has incorporated remarks against central bank digital currency into his platform over time, echoing statements made by representatives like Tom Emmer and pursuing a ban against government-backed cryptocurrencies in Florida. Central bank digital currencies, CBDC, are similar to assets like stablecoins that are pegged to the price of a sovereign currency like the greenback. But instead of being issued by private companies on public networks, they are managed by their respective governments or central banks. In the case of the Federal Reserve, Chairman Jerome Powell has said a CBDC would ideally receive written approval from Congress. But DeSantis said there's no wiggle room in terms of that, and it won't happen on his watch. "You must get authorization from Congress," DeSantis said of a CBDC. "I can tell you, if I'm president, we are not doing a central bank digital currency." DeSantis underscored his message that a CBDC could be used to curtail purchases deemed politically unfavorable in the eyes of those who control the tech, possibly pushing environmental issues or preventing firearm sales. "I see it as a massive transfer of power from individual consumers to a central authority, and I don't think that's good for a free society," he said. "I'm a no on a central bank digital currency." Price prediction. Dogecoin price to date is $0.070834 with a 24-hour trading volume of $391.39 million, market cap of $9.88 billion, and market dominance of 0.88%. The Doge price increased 0.35% in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 26, 2023 at 6:07, the general Dogecoin price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 0 technical analysis indicator signaling bullish signals and 30 signaling bearish signals. Doge price prediction was last updated on May 26, 2023 at 13:07. Dogecoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.070413, Dogecoin has support levels of $0.069781, $0.068670, and the strongest at $0.068038. Similarly, Dogecoin resistance levels are at $0.071524, $0.072156, and $0.073267. Dogecoin reached its highest price on May 8, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $0.738595, while Dogecoin's lowest price was recorded on May 7, 2015 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.00008547. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.049701, cycle low. The highest Doge price since the last cycle low was $0.156883, cycle high. The Dogecoin price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 49, neutral. Dogecoin's current circulating supply is 139.49 B Doge out of max supply of 132.67 B Doge. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 5.14%, meaning 6.81 B Doge were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Dogecoin is currently ranked number 3 in the proof-of-work coin sector, ranked number 1 in the meme coin sector, and ranked number 6 in the layer 1 sector. Dogecoin is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 25 days, since April 30, 2023. The price of Dogecoin is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 25 days, since April 30, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 4 days ago, on May 21, 2023. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on May 1, 2023, which was 24 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Dogecoin's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $0.076595 by June 24, 2023. Dogecoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.069656 by June 24, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 37.54, which indicates that the Doge market is in a neutral position. According to our current Dogecoin price prediction, the value of Dogecoin is predicted to drop by -1.01% and reach $0.069915 by May 31, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 49, neutral. Dogecoin recorded 50% green days with 4.56% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Dogecoin forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Dogecoin. Comparing Dogecoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Dogecoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Dogecoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, Doge price prediction for year 2026 is $1.648091 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Dogecoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $0.189062. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.